Good morning. Hope you're staying safe. Hope you're enjoying your day and having a fantastic Monday. Today's video is going to be a little bit about the difference between FBM and FBA. And this is a common question I often get asked, is what is the difference? FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. And what it basically means is where you store your products at the Amazon warehouse, whether it's in the USA or whether it's in Australia, doesn't matter, okay? FBM stands for Fulfilled by Merchant, and it's when you basically store the products yourself, or you have a supplier store the products for you, all right? So, that's my dog right there. And that's the big difference. Now, you may be wondering what's the difference in terms of what do you do, okay? Because it's a common question you often get asked is, should I do FBA or FBM? You would do FBA when it's small products, lightweight products that you don't want to fulfill yourself, products you don't want to send out yourself, okay? That's when you do FBA. There is a cost. The cost is very small to do FBA, and many times it is worth doing it. Now, you would choose FBM when your product is maybe oversized, maybe very heavy, maybe very large, maybe something where you want to test the quantity yourself. So maybe instead of doing a barcode or going down the avenue of doing a shipment plan and sending it to Amazon yourself, you can do FBM and just test it. So maybe you only have 5 units or 10 units and you just want to test the product out just to make sure that it actually does work. And you can test multiple products this way. It's much easier and faster to launch a product FBM as opposed to doing FBA. Now, it's really up to you in terms of what you want to do, right? But you can do both. You can test FBM and then transfer and change it to FBA if you are wanting to do that. Or alternatively, you can just send it to the Amazon warehouse and do FBA from the get-go. But they're the big differences. Now, FBM doesn't cost you that much at all. You can, like I said, you're paying for shipping, you're shipping it out yourself. And most people do ship it out themselves. So you can sometimes find third-party companies that do the shipping it themselves and they can do it on your behalf. Or you can just ship it out yourself and store it in your garage if you are wanting to do that. But FBA is the only real way of scaling. There's no way you can send out, if you sell 1,000 products one day, you're not going to be sending out 1,000 products at Australia Post, that same day or the next day or the next week, right? It's going to be too crazy. So there are advantages to doing both, but it's really, FBM is really about testing a product, or maybe if you've got an oversized product, or maybe your product is very heavy. Sometimes it might be cheaper doing FBM. All right, but the true way of scaling and what we do when we list a product on behalf of our clients, which we do a lot of, then usually it is FBA, but it doesn't have to be. We can actually do FBN for you as well. All right, so I hope that video cleared it up and made sense, and hopefully that will help you decide how you plan on shipping your products to the Amazon warehouse, or selling your products in general. All right, have a great day and talk to you real soon. Oh, and if you are looking to get something started on Amazon and you're looking for ideas, or maybe you're looking for guidance, or you're looking for product ideas, or maybe you're unsure of the next steps to take, I mean, it is a bit of a complicated procedure to send stuff to Amazon, and it is a bit of a difficult task sometimes if you're sort of new to it all. If you are looking for guidance and you want to reach out to me. Our phone number is below here, or private message me. I would love to have a chat with you. Please comment on the video below as well. Comment on the video below. I would love to hear from you. All right, I would love to hear your thoughts, what you think. Comment below. If you're looking for help, please reach out below as well. I'd love to have a chat with you and help you. I can help you find product ideas. I can help you find suppliers over in overseas, in Alibaba or other countries, and basically get you launched, on Amazon. All right. Have a great day. Talk soon. Stay safe. Bye for now.